In this video, I will show you how you can display the CPU and GPU usage on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. From here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Software Information. Then on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. After that, just enter your lock screen PIN. And once you do that, you will enable developer options on your Samsung phone. Now for the next step, just go back to the main settings page. Now over here, you will find the option for developer options. Now just tap on it. Now on this page, just scroll down and you will find an option called GPU Watch. After you find it, then just tap on it. And from here, just enable this toggle. Now after you do that, you will enable the CPU and GPU stats on your Samsung phone. Now if you tap on General Settings, you will be able to customize your GPU meter. Now if you tap on Update Interval, you can select the time duration when you want to update the stats. As you can see, by default it is on 250 ms, but you can increase it up to 5 seconds and you can lower it down to 50 milliseconds or as soon as possible. I will leave it on 250. Now from here you can change the background color of the GPU meter. For example, select this color. Now if you swipe the slider all the way to the left side, you will increase the transparency of the background. But if you slide the slider to the right side, you will decrease the transparency. If you want to show the grid, you can enable this toggle. And if you want to show the margins, you can enable this toggle. And after you've done customizing the GPU stats, then just tap on OK. Now if you want to add more widgets, you can tap on the plus icon over here and you can tap on custom widget or widgets from the presets. And you can add any of the presets available over here. Now I'll leave it as it is. Now if I go to the home screen, I will be able to see the CPU and GPU stats on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.